Kasi baka ma-miss nyo. Sunugin mo na yan. Wala akong baka. Uy, dyan, Bart, tumigil ka na. Wala akong pake. Hakib Hamzan, hello. Hindi na, okay. Parang tanga talaga, oh. Kala mo naman talaga eh. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Ay, nako. Ewan ko sa'yo dyan, Bart. Oo, sexy ako at hindi dahil sa'yo yun. So, ayan na guys, kinumusta ko lang talaga kayo. So, ganito lang yung live natin. Pasilip-silip lang tayo dito. So, thank you sa panonood, mga langga. Unahan mo nga yan, Val. Hi! Hansen. Good evening! Thank you. New video tomorrow, don't worry. Yes. Hindi naman totoo yung sinasabi niyan. Ano ka ba? It's weekend, I think. You don't have work? User 452? Thank you for coming in my live. Thank you. I love you. Thank you so much. Virtual hug for you. Love you. Thank you. I need to end the live now. Thank you so much. Best always for you. Okay, take care and get something to eat on the break. Thank you. Oo, after nito, kailangan natin mag-double kayod.